I'm Kevin Steffey. I'm an outside production manager for basement repair. Daily responsibilities are supporting the guys in the crew, as well as teaching in the field and in the classroom. The culture. I think people are genuinely excited to come to work and interact with each other every day. As well as the kind of jobs we do, they're pretty unique in the sense that not a lot of people do them, so it's kind of cool. Getting to see the guys every day, interacting with them, as well as my coworkers, getting to see them in the office and just kind of communicate with them on the daily. If I had to pick a fictional character to meet, I don't think I'd pick a specific one, maybe just like a superhero or something. Engaging.